Now, this is Japan, a country known for safety, a country known for discipline, and a country known for zero tolerance policy against crime. And yet, this afternoon, a factory floor, it turned into a crime scene. Here is what we know so far, step by step. Friday evening, Mishima city, west of Tokyo. Inside a rubber factory, workers are finishing their shift, and then all of a sudden, screams, chaos, and blood. A man attacks, armed with a knife, wearing a gas mask, carrying what reports described as a survival knife. Witnesses say that he moved through the factory stabbing people at random, but that was not all here. Alongside the knife attack, an unspecified liquid was sprayed. Well, here, later reports, they suggest that it may have been bleach or maybe chemical that was really irritant. Workers, they are coughing, eyes burned, people collapse. In fact, the numbers, they are staggering. 15 people injured, 8 stabbed, 7 injured by the sprayed liquid. After that, emergency calls flood in. Firefighters, they arrived really fast. A call comes in at 4:30 p.m. 5 or 6 people have been stabbed. A spray-like liquid has been used. Ambulances rush into the scene. Stretchers line the factory entrance. In fact, officials confirmed that at least 14 victims had been transported by emergency services. Hospitals across the region go on high alert. But who was this attacker? Japanese media reports that 38-year-old man, he is now arrested. He was arrested at the scene. He is now in police custody and he is charged with attempted murder. The attack was stopped inside the factory itself. No escape, no chase. Well, the factory where it all happened is operated by Yokohama Rubber company, a major manufacturer of tire for trucks and buses. A routine workplace, an ordinary workday, until it wasn't. Now, step back for a context here. Violent crime in Japan is extremely rare. Strict gun laws, one of the world's lowest murder rates, high public safety standard, and which is why this particular incident, it is like shockwave. But yes, this is not an isolated case here. In fact, in recent years, the assassination of former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe in 2022, a deadly shooting and stabbing rampage in 2023, knife attack in Tokyo metro station in 2024, each time Japan asked the same question. Why now? Right now, authorities are investigating. Motive still unclear, mental health angle, it is being examined right now, chemical substance under analysis. Police say that more details will follow, but here's the bigger question. How does a man enter a factory with a knife, a gas mask and chemicals? And could this have been prevented? Well, one thing is clear, for a nation built on safety and order, this attack cuts deep, not just into bodies, but into Japan's sense of security. This story is still developing, and as Japan watches, stunned and shaken, the world is reminded. Even the safest place is no longer immune. We will keep tracking you every single update.